this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Active Directory. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go on Server Manager, and then we're going to go on Tools. We're going to go Manage, my bad. And then we're going to select Add Roles and Features. We're going to hit the option Next. If you guys are on this screen, just select Next until you get to this screen. So then the next thing we're going to do next, again, we're going to leave everything as the select server, everything as default, so don't change anything. Next. So here what we're going to do, we want to install Active Directory, so we're going to select this option that says Active Directory Lightweight Directory Services. So we also want to add the features, so we're going to include the features, add features. Next. Here we don't have to select anything. We don't want any features for this, so we don't want any features for this, so don't worry about this. Just hit next. Active Directory Lightweight Directory Services. It's just pretty much, if you guys want to read this, you guys can. So we select next, and then it's gonna require a restart. So we can select the restart destination servers. So if a restart is required, it will automatically do it without additional notifications. Do you want to allow the automatic restarts? We hit yes. And then we hit install. So it's gonna start the installation process. It takes a little bit of time, so we're gonna wait a little bit then. So as you guys can see, you guys will see this message that says that the installation has completed. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit close. You guys won't like this won't close automatically, so you guys have to close it automatically. But once it says that configuration required, installation succeeded, we can just hit close. So once we have closed that, we're gonna go on this little thing, this little flag with the yellow warning sign, and then we're gonna hit Run the Active Directory Lightweight thing. Here we're gonna do just next. We're gonna select the option a unique instance. We can name this instance. I'm just gonna name it test. So we're gonna hit next. We're gonna leave everything as default, the LDAT port and this SSL port number. No, do not create an application directory partitions, to leave everything as default, everything as default. And then we're gonna select this account right here. Username is gonna be administrator, and then set up a password. So you guys set up your password. Hit that next. The selected account does not have permissions to run the servers. Do you want to add to? So hit yes. Currently logged into user is like yes. So hit next. And then you guys don't have to worry about this. Next. And then it's installing ADS, LDS, the setup wizard. So just wait until it finishes, and once it finishes, you guys are gonna do is just hit the finish button. And as you guys can see right here, I have my Active Directory, I have my file storage services, which automatically came with them. So here you guys can see I have everything green, which is good. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go on Tools, and then we're gonna select the Active Directory sites and services. And then you're gonna get this naming information cannot be located. The specific domain either does not exist or cannot be contact your system administrator. So as you guys see, I have Active Directory, but still we don't have a domain. So we also have to install DNS. So that's on the next video. So see you guys on the next video.